Oi everyone, Juliana here. In today's video, I will show you my take on making the best grilled cheese ever. I know it's a very simple recipe, but it's not just about bread and cheese, but how to make the best bread and cheese combination. So I went to Italy to get some very good quality cheese. They just opened last year in Toronto, and the store is full of everything you need for cooking. Nothing better than to go to an Italian store to get the best selection of cheeses. When making a grilled cheese sandwich, we need to go for soft, semi-soft and melting cheeses. So I talked with a very nice lady who helped me to select one of my cheeses. She recommended the Alta Abadia, which they say is like an Italian cheddar cheese. Semi-soft, great for melting. When it comes to a soft cheese, the younger it is, the softer it will be. And I also got an Asiago Pressato, which is semi-soft with a smooth texture and is perfect for sandwiches. And for sure, I needed to pick a Canadian cheddar cheese. I got this one at the grocery store. It's a medium cheddar, not too strong, which gives a nice blend of flavors. I did my take on the traditional recipe, but also a version using my own style and some very exciting ingredients. I also got some prosciutto for my grilled cheese experiment, and they had all these options. So for prosciutto you need to go by aging as well. The older will be more salty. Because I'm already using cheese in it, I chose one that wasn't too salty, a 24-month aged Prosciutoo Dall'ava. And today, we will be studying the Portuguese word of the day, where every video I will teach you a Portuguese word based off of the recipe. Today's word is queijo, queijo, which means cheese. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the new updates. You're going to love this video, so let's cook! So all we need is our cheeses, bread and butter. Lots of butter. For the bread, I'm using a traditional white bread and I will try a sourdough bread to see how it tastes. So let's get all the bread and cheese cut up. For the bread, I did cut it a little thick. I will fill it with lots of cheese, so I need thick pieces. Grate the cheese to make it easier to blend and melt. Spread some butter, actually lots of butter, on the outside of the slices. You need to really put a good amount. So I will make 3 different flavors for my grilled cheese, and one of them with the sourdough bread. Make a blend at first just with the cheddar cheeses. Starting traditionally, I'm only using cheddar cheese and white bread. So add the blend of the cheddar cheeses into the bread. About 100 grams of cheese or 1 cup. For the second one, I added the Asiago cheese to the cheddars. For the third one, I'm making a prosciutto grilled cheese with apricot jam. Add the jam on both sides, a very good amount to give it enough sweetness. Add the prosciutto on both sides over the jam, about 2 pieces for each side. And then add the blend of the 3 cheese. For the sourdough one, I just made as the traditional way. For grilling, I used my cast iron at first. I want to give it as much crispy as I can, and I think the cast iron works really well. So get your pan very hot, over medium to high heat. Add the sandwich and just grill it until you get the very nice golden brown color, and of course, you get the cheese melted. First one, really nice. The bread is beautifully crispy. Canadian and Italian cheddar cheese blend. The taste is amazing and everything is melted together perfectly. The Canadian cheddar tastes salty and buttery, and the Italian one has a lighter salt taste, little sweet and tangy. For the second grilled cheese, I also grilled it on the cast iron. The flavor from the Asiago really stands out. The sweetness of it gave it, in my opinion, a better taste. The blend of cheddar and Asiago is very interesting. You have the sweetness and tangy flavor from the Asiago and acidic, salt and buttery flavor from the cheddars. And of course, the bread is grilled just right. For the prosciutto grilled cheese and apricot jam, I grilled it over a non-sticky pan. Grill until it is nice and golden brown. The taste of the prosciutto together with the cheeses and the jam is unbelievable. Prosciutto and apricot jam always works very well. You really want to try this one. It's a mix of sweet, salt, tang and very buttery flavor. It's crazy delicious. For the grilled cheese with the sourdough bread, I would say that it was good, but honestly, for grilled cheese, just go for the white bread. It's definitely the best choice. So, those are my 4 grilled cheese sandwiches. I really recommend that you try them out, especially the second and the third ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.